And this is my next lawnmower find here. I got another Troy Bilt 21-inch push mower, rear bag mulch and side discharge. This was a moving sale, and I do have the side chute with this, and they also gave me a gas container with this. Looks like it's in really good condition. Briggs and Stratton engine. Some rust here on this handlebar, I noticed. All the cables and everything seem to be really good on here. Which, that is the cable that I will need for my other similar Troy Bilt that I got to replace the rope. I've got one to order for that. That cable that I used came off a Craftsman, is not quite working correctly, so I'm going to replace that cable. So it's good to get one of these similar to what that mower looks like. This one's a little bit newer. Needs cleaning up, kind of beat up a little bit, and it also looked like it was overfilled with oil. I'll show the dipstick. It definitely needs changing as well. Briggs and Stratton engine, auto choke engine, and it's got one of these front plastic teeth things that guide the grass, and their guides, I guess is what you call it, plastic guide. And we're kind of looking at this together here. This rope is kind of wrapped around this blade. Got to get that off. Looks like the blade is on correctly. And just needs a good cleaning. Wow, look at all that under that carburetor. But that air filter is filthy. Let me show you more about this Troy Bilt, and we're going to give it a start. So let's check out the air filter here. I got a funny feeling it's going to be filthy from the looks of that carburetor. And it is. It's packed with dirt. Let's see if we can clean this. If not, we'll just put another one in there for now. This air filter will have to be replaced. It's really greasy and filled with oil. But for now, we're just going to put it back in. Once I get this cleaned up, we'll replace this air filter. Come out in this bright sunshine, but this oil was way overfilled. You can see it's overfilled. And looks like it's a bit dirty as well. The side chute with this Troy Bilt. He also gave me a bottle of 30 weight Briggs and Stratton motor oil he had with this, so we're going to use that to change the oil, along with a near full gas container as well. And here's the side chute area. And it looks like it's had moisture in here before, showing some missing paint and a little bit of rust. And here's the back of this mower here. We can see the blade, all plastic back here. Just needs cleaning up. Really good condition, definitely been used. Separate height adjustment, and they're all working and not frozen. Wheels seem to be in good shape on here. And the model and serial number of this Troy Bilt is on the side of it. And this came from our local Lowe's home store. To start, this mower needs a really good cleaning. We're going to replace that air filter and change the oil in it. The oil is way overfilled. It smoked at their house when I first cut it on. I hope that will stop. Let's see if it'll be smoking again when I cut this on. Auto choke engine, here we go. A little bit, let's see if it'll stop. Oh, nice and quiet engine. sharpen that blade. A bit. Definitely replace the air filter and change the oil in it. Troy Bilt. We're going to do a follow-up video. Clean this up, sharpen the blade, and change that air filter. I think it'll be good as new.